What if I told you the biggest threat to your cloud isn't a hacker, but a single line of code you forgot to check? Today, I'm going to test my free security scanner live across 5 different environments. I want you to see exactly what it finds, because these are the same mistakes that cause real data breaches and the same security gaps that prevent startups from closing enterprise deals. Here's the reality. Most cloud breaches don't happen because of sophisticated attacks. They happen because of simple misconfigurations, a storage bucket left public, a password hard-coded into a configuration file, a port accidentally exposed to the entire internet. Most teams don't even realize these issues exist until a customer's security team discovers them first, or an attacker does. I'm Emmanuel, founder of OrigGuard. I help SaaS startups pass security audits and become enterprise ready. And I built this free scanner to find these security gaps instantly. No sign up, no installation. Let's test it live. 1 scanner, 5 environments. Let's begin. Test 1, Terraform. AWS. First, Terraform on AWS. I'll select the Terraform tab, paste the configuration, and click Scan for vulnerabilities. Watch what comes back. Finding number 1, a storage bucket configured for public read. That means anyone on the internet can list and download every file inside it. This is one of the most common causes of major cloud data breaches. Finding number 2, a database password stored in plain text directly inside the code. Anyone with repository access can read it, even years later through Git history. Finding number 3, and this one is critical, an AWS access key and secret key hard-coded directly into the file. That's essentially the master key to the cloud account. Finding number 4, a security group open to 0.0.0.0/0. In other words, every IP address on Earth can reach it. 4 critical findings detected in just a few seconds, and every finding includes a clear remediation. Test 2, Terraform, Azure to Azure. Now let's switch to Azure. Same Terraform language, different cloud platform. Many free scanners simply don't support this. I'll clear the editor, paste the Azure configuration, and click Scan. Immediately, the scanner detects several issues. HTTPS isn't enforced. That means sensitive data could travel unencrypted. It flags an outdated TLS version, TLS 1.0, with well-known security weaknesses. It finds another hard-coded password. And finally, it detects SSH access open to the entire internet. Port 22, available from anywhere. A perfect target for brute force attacks. AWS, Azure, both fully covered. Test 3, Terraform, Google Cloud next. Google Cloud, I'll paste the GCP configuration and scan it right away. The scanner finds a storage bucket shared with all users. That means it's publicly accessible to everyone. Next, a Cloud SQL database with a public IP address combined with an authorized network of 0.0.0.0/0. The database can literally be reached from anywhere on Earth. Finally, a firewall rule opening every port from every source. 3 cloud providers, 1 scanner. Test 4, Kubernetes. And now let's move to Kubernetes. I'll switch tabs, paste the manifest, and run another scan. Watch how much it detects. First, a privileged container. That breaks the isolation between the container and the host machine. Next, host network and host PID sharing. The container can see and potentially interact with processes running on the host. Then, privilege escalation is allowed. And finally, a database password stored in plain text. Any one of these findings would immediately raise red flags during a serious security review. Test 5, CloudFormation. Finally, CloudFormation, Amazon's native infrastructure language. I'll switch tabs, paste the template, and scan. The results are just as thorough. A public storage bucket, a hard-coded database password, encryption disabled for storage at rest, and another security group exposed to the internet. Whether you use Terraform, Kubernetes, or CloudFormation, OrigGuard scans them all. But here's what really makes this different. Every finding maps directly to a real SOC 2 control. Public buckets, open ports, those relate to CC 6.1. Hard-coded secrets, CC 6.6. Missing encryption, CC 6.7. So this isn't just another vulnerability scan. It's a preview of exactly what a SOC 2 auditor will examine and exactly what enterprise security teams expect before approving your product. If you're preparing for enterprise customers, this tells you exactly where you stand today and exactly what needs to be fixed. One more thing, the scanner is completely free. No sign up, no installation, nothing is uploaded, nothing is stored. Your code remains under your control. because that's how security should work. You should be able to verify everything yourself without blindly trusting anyone else. That's the standard I follow, and the same standard I bring to every client engagement. So here's what to do next. Everything is linked below this video. First, try the scanner with your own code. It takes about 30 seconds. Second, if you're preparing for SOC 2, complete my free SOC 2 gap review. Answer 10 quick questions. Within 48 hours, you'll receive a personalized report showing exactly what to fix and in what order. Completely free, no sales call required. And when you're ready to become fully audit ready and start winning enterprise contracts, that's exactly what I help companies achieve. Everything you need is in the description below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.